My beloved cricket fan, Mr. Irshad, has prepared this wonderful clay court. Really, it's a great sign. Actually, we are able to see in so many different academics, rich budget it takes. But here he decided to give along with mat. So this is a clay court. Already, lot of work has been done over here. Really, it's a great sign. But it takes some time. I hope definitely this is going to be provided next academic year. Irshad, how are you, Nana?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, really feeling very pleasure to see this particular new innovation, Nana. I think it is the first time in Karimnagar district,
Yes, sir.
might be in Telangana also, and one private organizer doing this much hard work. Yeah, why did you decide to give this much great platform, Daddy?
Sir, actually, being a district player from starting onwards, we also had lack of all the infrastructure, sir. Lack
Okay.
of grounds and all the facilities. We didn't have much amenities to excel ourselves. So
Yes.
I always had a thought that we should also do something so that all the local players can get exposure of all these things. When we went to Hyderabad and all, we got to know that there are many other facilities which we are lacking. So
Yes.
always I had a thought, at least if not everything, at least I can provide 10%, 20% of that. So with that, I took an initiative and started this.
Yeah, not 10-20%, almost all 80 plus percent you have reached. This is not a simple thing. It depends on lakhs of amount. Right? Whether we are having a fire, that will be different. But the fire will become fruitful, mean to say, we need some financial
Yeah,
investment.
yeah, right, sir.
So it looks like that some lakhs of amount. So that's really crazy. I think it indicates you are a true lover of cricket. Whatever the things you have learned in cricket, I think with the help of cricket only, you might have got what we can say, come into the light of society.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, sir.
you have become a wonderful fan of so many people. That particular reputation and goodwill, I think, forced you to frame this wonderful one for upcoming young generation of Karimnagar, young chops from Karimnagar. What do you say?
Yes, sir. This sport has taught me a lot of things. It has taught how to be down to earth. It has taught all the positive attitudes that are in me. Many things I have learned from this sport. So that's why I wanted to be attached with this sport, and that's the reason I have taken this initiative.
Do you believe that right now present contemporary cricket players will they have any future platforms, Nana?
Surely, sir. Why? Because now in early days in 80s and 90s, it was very difficult for a player to get exposure
Yeah.
on a bigger level. But nowadays, because of many different platforms like IPL, TNPL, and all, it has become easy for a player to get exposure. And also, social media is acting as a very good. It has a pivotal role in like making people viral within few days or just within no time.
Yeah.
So that's the reason nowadays people are like getting much more attracted towards this game, as it has much more aspects of getting developed in a very short period of time.
Yeah.
Nothing like a short period of time. It requires much more concentration, focused behavior, discipline, punctuality, and much more thing is dedication. So with that, surely one day or the other day they may succeed in their life. When compared to earlier days, it's little easier now because of all these platforms they have got.
Yes. So, are you getting proper response from this particular cricket lovers?
Yeah, as of now, the response is good, sir.
Yeah. What about your senior players?
Yeah, senior players, they are also like little astonished that I have done so much. I too didn't expect that it will be this much. So I'm also happy. They are also happy that we are doing something. At least a district player is doing something. So in that manner, I got many good positive feedback.
Yeah. Generally, fitness is very important. Na? Generally, the student or maybe the player by watching IPL or national game, international games, just there will be some what we can say a quick response might be there.
Yes, sir.
But in which way you are supposed to concentrate on their fitness?
Sir, fitness, the thing is, all many play nowadays. The problem is player wants to play. They want to
Ah,
come to
yeah,
the bat. They want to play. That's it.
yeah, that's
But they
it.
don't know the thing is, until we take care of our body, it won't allow us to be that what we say reflexive in that sport.
Yes.
Cricket is a very reflexive sport. We have to react to the ball which is coming towards us at a speed of 140 clicks, 150 clicks, and to punch the ball at that speed, we should need some really quick responses from the body. So to keep our body in that condition, first thing is we have to be very fit, and to be fit we have lots of drills. we will have lots of sprints, fitness exercises. So we should be in such a good posture that it should become a muscle memory for us to punish that ball at that speed. So
Yes.
to make that muscle memory, to develop that muscle memory, surely fitness is very important in our life, especially in the field of cricket.
Yeah. Anyway, that's a very good sign, Nana.
Yes.
I hope definitely God will extend His benedictions on you. Allah
Inshallah.
आपको दुआ देगा. Huh?
Surely, surely.
Are you happy with this particular project?
Yes, yes, sir. Happy with this project and yes, looking forward to do much more. But at present, it's at a pause. So looking forward to finish it as soon as possible and just make it open for everyone.
Yes, that's a good one. Are you expecting any helping hand from the society?
Yes, sir. It would be much better for me if someone comes forward and takes an initiative towards the society. It will be like their good behavior and make someone, those who are related to cricket may come forward. Why? Because they know the thing, they know the need. So I'm also looking forward for someone to come forward. Let's see in future, maybe it will be a great help for me.
Yeah, on the day of this occasion, I request all my beloved family members of Kareem Nagar, not only cricketers, I request all business people. I think you are already being blessed with a very good, kind heart. But once again, on behalf of my Irshad and his beloved mentors, you are really giving a lot of contributions from different activities like temples and schools and this and that. This is also one of the best place, irrespective of religion, irrespective of caste, community, creed. People use it to enjoy the game. So game is nothing but unity and diversity. So I request all beloved officials and like-minded people of cricket, please do join with this great project. Please extend your helping hand, whatever the way it may possible. That is going to helpful to so many young chops rather than getting diversion from this track and from their lifestyle. Definitely, whether they come to ground, definitely we can expect గ్రౌండ్కి వచ్చిన ఏ స్టూడెంట్ కూడా చెడిపోయినట్టుగా కెరియర్లో అనిపించదు. 190% మంది తప్పకుండా బాగుపడతారు. ఒక యూనిఫార్మిటీ, ఫ్రెండ్లీ రిలేషన్, డిసిప్లిన్, గేమ్స్ అండ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ గివ్స్ హిమ్ అవుట్స్టాండింగ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ టు ద చైల్డ్. Even they learn even event management skills also. Whatever the activity has been located in the society daily, yeah, with the help of, with the support of their friends and this and that, they want to make it success. They are the live examples of that one. నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నా కరీంనగర్ పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళని, ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్ట్ని, లైక్ మైండెడ్ని, క్రికెట్ని ప్రాణంగా ప్రేమించే చాలామంది సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ని కరీంనగర్ ప్రపంచం ఈ ఈ తెలంగాణకి పరిచయం చేసిందండి. వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళ సహాయ సహకారాలని అందిస్తారని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఈ శుభ సందర్భంగా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 50 నుంచి 100 మంది పిల్లలు స్పెషల్ టీమ్గా కోచింగ్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు సెయింట్ ఆల్ఫోన్స్లో అండ్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ Srinivas, Irshad and so many members are there. Please do send your children in every day, at least half an hour to 1 hour. Along with education, these are the things are important. Once you go and cross check whether you want to send for higher education like overseas, America, Australia, Canada or European countries, maximum 100 to 100% universities are giving importance to the person whether he is possessing sports. అలాంగ్ విత్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్తో సమానంగా స్పోర్ట్స్కి బాగా ప్రియారిటీ ఇస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే వాడు యూనివర్సిటీకి స్టూడెంట్ ద్వారా వచ్చే నేమ్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో స్పోర్ట్స్ మెన్ ద్వారా కూడా అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ నేమ్ వస్తుంది అన్నటువంటి క్రేజీ, ఆ కల్చర్, ఆ ట్రెడిషన్ అక్కడ ఉంది. అట్లా కూడా మన పిల్లలకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. మోర్ ఓవర్ ఎంతోమంది పేద పిల్లలకి మీరు కూడా మీ వంతు హెల్ప్ చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. ఈ క్లే గ్రౌండ్ నాకు తెలిసి నేను నా కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తూ ఉన్నా. వీ హ్యావెంట్ సీన్, మేము ఆడింది జనరల్ గ్రౌండ్ మీదనే, బట్ హియర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ రిస్క్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఒక 10 లారీల మట్టి పట్టి ఉండొచ్చు ఇక్కడ. రెడ్ సాయిల్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ సాయిల్ మిక్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్లో పిల్లలకి పిచ్ పరిచయం చేయాలని ఒక చక్కటి లక్ష్యంతో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ రియల్లీ పర్సనల్ రిస్క్. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ ఎక్స్టెండ్. ఫైనాన్స్ లేకపోయినా ఒక ధైర్యం, ఒక స్థైర్యం, భగవంతుడు తప్పకుండా మీలాంటి మంచి వాళ్ళతో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారని ఒక నమ్మకంతో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని శ్రీకారం చుట్టారు. I hope this is absolutely going to helpful to this particular academy. Thank you so much.
last but not the least, sir, you also were a great support to me. Thank you, sir. Thank you for always supporting me, always being with me, always encouraging me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Harikrishna, sir.
Thank you, Nana. May God bless you. Have a wonderful time.